In step and on message, Doug Ford and Francois Legault united, asking Ottawa for help on healthcare funding.
We need the Canadian health transfers increased. We need the support from the federal government.
The premiers argue that the current federal contribution to the provinces isn't enough. Not a new complaint, but a more urgent one now as the pandemic drags on.
It's a problem that is increasing every year and increasing because of the expenses related to the COVID-19.
And those expenses are set to grow with COVID cases rising in both provinces. Still, Ford and Legault projected an air of calm, with no plans yet to roll back reopening.
If everyone focuses on the guidelines and protocols, then we shouldn't have a problem.
The timing of the meeting is likely no coincidence, coming just ahead of the throne speech later this month.
The federal government is trying to think right now about the speech from the throne and obviously a subsequent budget that will be presented in the House of Commons. And so they probably wanted to show a united front right now in order to be able to negotiate.
And when the leaders of the two largest provinces band together, the Prime Minister has little choice but to listen.
2/3 of the seats in the legislature come from those provinces, and so to not respond to those premiers is to invite a potential electoral cost.
Ford and Legault are also pushing for federal help on infrastructure and pushing back against U.S. protectionism, both making clear their economic recoveries are crucial for Canada's.
When Ontario and Quebec are booming, the rest of the country is booming.
But any boom going forward will depend on those case counts going back down. Ellen Morrow, CBC News, Toronto.